Oh my goodness. Oh, I'm recording. I shouldn't do that. Look at all the people. Oh, these are the powered sites. And I should have looked at power light. She's so friendly. We need to stay at campsites more. Oh my goodness. Thank you! Wow, that's really big.
Like the whole thing is us.
The whole thing. We're at the Big Valley campsite and I'm super excited because what makes this place so special, they have like 200 guinea pigs that roam around and we're gonna feed the lambs right now. The lambs.
So you fed your first goat.
It's a lamb. A lamb. Baby. There's a tiny chicken.
Hello, guy. Come here. Love cuddles and pets. Debbie, this side. What? Just read the rules first. Oh, it's eating my camera.
This is the mum for these four little babies. And this one is like, I swear any day now she's going to have it. Couldn't tell? Oh, that's a bit of a live one actually. There you are. No. The grey one. Yeah, this one. Crazy actually. You want to try that one? Well, when her babies were young though, that was the first time she didn't really like it, but now they're a bit bigger. Oh, far out. She does have nails. Yeah, that one's a bit nicer. Camden picked up the grey one that runs around here.
Yeah, that one right there.
And you know where your family is? They're not at the site there. I wanted to hold it.
Did this meet all of your cuteness expectations?
Little boys.
Zarale is having trouble catching a guinea pig. It's like Grand Theft guinea pig.
He doesn't want a little carrot. It's okay. I will put you back if you don't want the carrot.
You can give him cuddles and pats.
Little heart is beating for shots. This is the first time we're taking out the awning. We got our chairs over there because we're going to be staying here for the next 2 nights. It looks like rain is coming over there. Hopefully not. Or it's just the darkness. I don't know, man. What can I do to help except video? What do I do? I can hold the pole. Now I feel I have to pick it up. Oh, Franco!
Grab the pole. It's okay.
Everyone has been super friendly. Here comes Franco doing all the work. Work, slave, work. See, that's perfect. I may or may not have accidentally zoomed in on your butt just then.
Fine by me, I got a nice butt.
Those clouds look like rain. Look at the difference, look at that. And then look at that.
I haven't the faintest clue what I'm doing, so I'm just gonna Google how to prepare shallots. Because there is like a double skin on this that I was not prepared for. I thought they were like onions. I guess they're still kind of like onions, but made different. People are probably going to come after me in the comments for the aggressive nature in which I cut onions, but the chaos helps to create a nice diverse size range within the onion pieces. So you get some nice small bits that give a lot of flavor to your barbecue sauce chutney, and a couple larger bits that give a bit more substance. We've got our onions, asparagus, the mint, bacon and spinach mix, spices galore.
Rat night. Very saucy. I'm so sad. We were in Coles and IGA and we didn't think of it. Oh, Franco told me.
Is it good? Right as we have started doing our dinner, we have noticed that it started heavily raining. But we had our awning up. This is very much a test room. We've never had the awning up in the rain. I was worried about our water supply because our plumbing wasn't fixed yet. Here you go. Baby, you got a little friend. Should we feel a bit guilty for our new little friend? Then I'm gonna eat our little friend's relatives for breakfast.
Oh, that's where you're going with it. Oh, egg. That looks sad. Franco is attempting to open chip salt to put over his eggs for some unknown reason.
He's good. That's exactly what you need when you're out camping. A little bit of eggs and sausages, or bacon and eggs. We don't have any bacon except for diced bacon, so we're with sausages this morning. But my goodness, tastes good. We didn't have any set plans for today. We were going to take it as it came, but I most certainly didn't think that one of the things they'd be doing today was dismantling our fridge because it won't turn on. I've either screwed up wiring it up in the first place, or a fuse is blown, or any other number of things have gone wrong. I've just noticed today that the little light that's supposed to go up in the corner there isn't on, and everything's defrosted. So that's kind of become my priority of the day. So I've diagnosed the problem with my fridge. Good news is, I was right, the fridge wasn't working. The bad news is, it wasn't working because of my wiring. Which I'm really unhappy about, because I thought I did a good job. Now I have to pull it all out and rewire it. I have no idea how I screwed that up. Obviously something's not connected right anymore. And the way that I'd wired the fridge up, I wired it up a lot more permanent, so it went underneath all of our pots and pans here, which is a nightmare to get to. I never thought I'd have to touch the wiring ever again, because I thought I did it right, but obviously not. Zarale has also opted to take a chocolate break because
I can't help with the electronics, and that's Franco's baby, unfortunately. I can stand and watch, but...
At least I get to stress eat away my problems now with some chocolate buttons from the Margaret River Chocolate Factory. Now, after dismantling a lot of the van to make it happen, the fridge now works again, which is nice. It means that we can have food. Plumbing still doesn't work, but the fridge does. So at least we won't go hungry. We have packed up our awning and our campsite. We and figured we would go for a bit of a walk.
Hi! Look at this pretty one I have.
Ah! They're really strong. I've played with the guinea pigs a lot now. It's my second time.
This video is going to be a lot of guinea pig spam.
Yeah, I can play with them this afternoon as well, and tomorrow morning. Worth it. Worth it.
I am going through all of my audio files that I had downloaded previously for different projects. Zaralay's over here, got her laptop set up and is doing a little bit of bookkeeping, tracking how much was spent on fuel this week, things like that. This is van life. How we go?
So tonight I am gonna make something new. I don't know how it's gonna turn out, but I'm using instant rice for the first time in my life. I've usually always used South African rice that takes like 45 minutes to cook in a rice cooker. But I'm making rice with diced up chicken, carrots and shallots in. And we'll see how that goes. I want to cook 2 spoons of garlic.
The garlic.
And I hope my first attempt at this meal is good because I feel like it's going to be a staple dish. It looks good. It looks a bit bland. Maybe I should have added, I don't know, something. Yummy. I like it.
How would you rate it?
I feel like there's so many things that go into rating food, like how easy it was, the ingredients. Pretty basic, easy meal. I give it like a 9 out of 10. This was just a bit too much. I'm still trying to learn portion control when it comes to making food for the 2 of us in the van, and I can make this a super yummy meal and a bit more healthy because I can put things like cauliflower or broccoli in it, even corn, to make it like a staple dish in our week or bi-weekly. Sunday, Sunday, Sunday! I just really wanted to do that.
Why Sunday?
That's what people say at monster shops. Anyway,
We're going to have some snacks, some crackers, dip in chocolate, and watch some YouTube.
we are learning how to do vlogs and vlogs and talk in front of cameras, and I'm taking notes as we're learning, and we are snacking as we're going on.
Sign up again, go! Zaralay very cleverly ran back to the van when the rain died down, and I stayed back to record this video, and now it's raining cats and dogs. So I'm stuck here for a few minutes until it clears up. This is our last night at Big Valley Campsite. It has been an absolute blast. Utilities are great. The guinea pigs and all the farm animals have been so cute. Tomorrow we have to be out of here by 11, but they open up the guinea pigs from about 9 to 11, so we can probably still get a bit of video and a bit of photos and cuddles tomorrow. But ultimately, it's been an absolutely great stay. It was cleared up enough to run. I made it.
Yay.
Ready for one last guinea pig experience.
Yeah. We just woke up and it's our last day at the Big Valley Campsite, and just before we go I have to pet some guinea pigs and then we're off. Look at that one. I never got to hold one of the black guinea pigs. They look super silky smooth.
We didn't get much guinea pig time because they were cleaning up. Probably can't see it, we walked too far away, but they were cleaning up all the old straw, and it was quite loud and all the guinea pigs were frightened and hiding away. And we still got a little bit more cuteness before we have to get on with the rest of our journey.
Are we gonna go past the harbour again?
Yes.
Yes. So We're here, that's where we're sleeping, that's why I put the Z's. There's a new hotel. Let me go.
Thank you.
Thank you. Oh, I like them.
Very
Isn't
nice.
that freshly picked? Thank you so much. We were planning on doing free stays this first month. But yeah, we had to come stay here. And then we booked another night. When
Did you nurse them and everything?
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, we did the lambs, we did the sheep,
Oh,
we
you did the lamb
guinea
feeding,
pigs,
yeah.
So yeah.
you fed the lambs?
Yeah.
Oh,
yeah.
good. Yeah.
It was really exciting.
You come at the right time.
Yeah.
We did.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Okay, thanks. See you.
Have a great day.